I'm about to leave the house for the first time in a while to go somewhere other than Bunnings. I've actually got a Christmas party, hence the hot shirt. But today we have finished off the plastering. I've just got to sand it, start painting, and then the kitchen will be here next week. So it's going to be a bit mental to get that done. But I'm put together this video of what we've done in 1 week, predominantly just the two of us, with a few helping hands to lift the big support beam that's behind here. But other than that, it's just been the builder and I. So shout out to Penny, what a ledge. Hope you enjoy this video. This is what can be achieved in a week if you put your mind to it. So it might not look very different to you from my last video. However, today we completely changed this wall. A window was there. We've now moved it up and over, and it's a brand new window, which is glorious. We had to take off all the cladding on the outside, put the sarking up, put more cladding up. We'll be doing the same with this wall. The doors are coming out. This wall is coming out from about there, which is why it's propped. But today, I wanted to just show you what we got done in a single day, just the two of us. So yeah, take a look, hope you enjoy.